have also a hair. Okay, let's open.
What hair?
This old. It's the one, the pony.
Ah, okay. So what's this? My Little Pony Friendship Magic.
Yes.
Okay.
So.
Rarity Twisty Twirly Hairstyles.
Yes. Hairstyle. And we're going to
Okay,
open
show
this
them.
now.
Amari!
We have two clips. We have two clips. We have two clips. And then we have a pony. Look this. I have a pony.
Can I see the clips? Let's show.
This.
Wow. Clips. 3 clips for the My Little Pony. And can I see the pony?
Pony too. And also we have one. The other one is lost already
Because you lost it. Wow. It's sticky and some are yarn, some are like parang, what's this?
Yes.
It's like a clay twig. And what's that?
And we have this.
It's a crimper.
Yes, a cream.
Oh, you can do this, oh, like you can swirl.
You can twirl it, so let's start. First,
Where's the other one? The other clip. Where is it?
It's over here.
Here. This
Yeah.
one. You can twist it.
And
Okay,
we
you
have
try
this.
it.
Okay, let's try this
You
first.
show it.
This.
Mhm.
Let's go to the other side first. Together.
It's like hair iron. Hair curler pala.
Okay. There. Okay. Let's do it. Woo! Look at that! Woo!
Show it. Give it to me. Can I see?
There it is! It has the hairstyle. Okay. Let's get it the other way.
You should do this, oh, like a clip and then twirl. Can I try?
Okay. You can
Let's
do
try twirling.
twirling. You have to get me. That's just my mom's joke. She did that already.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 there.
Yes.
And then clip. Let's put the clip.
Flip first.
Dun, 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 dun. I cannot open.
Because the one just over the ones. Look, oh, you have to swim.
There. Violet on violet.
On violet.
Oh, you say thank you to the one who gave that to you.
Thank you. And we're
Thank you,
going
Tita Evelyn. Thank you, Tita Evelyn.
Oh, we have also that already.
Yes.
We have also
Thank
that.
you for the My Little Pony.
Okay. So it has to be interesting.
So,
My
there.
little
What's the name of My Little Pony? Who is this?
No, in the other box.
It's, maybe she is Rarity.
Rarity, yes.
Rarity, okay.
So
Okay.
Okay, let's put all the ones. So we have to put the clip. It's like a clip, but
Yeah, it's like a hair iron.
yes. It's like a hair iron. Okay. Put that all the way. All the way there. So
Okay, that's nice.
No, not yet done. Cause the one, there's other ones here. This one, it has already. And then the sticky one.
Yeah, use the sticky one.
The sticky one is so great. I like the sticky one.
Amari.
That's just my baby sister.
Okay, you need to say bye-bye na.
No, not yet.
Ay, naku.
We have hairstyle A. Okay.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
So, what can I see your finished product?
Not
Wow.
Not
Yeah,
yet.
this is the finished product na. Okay? Or you say
Bye
bye-bye.
bye. Thank you for watching Beauty and Hope TV. Bye.